So, Minister, please clarify this threat, because as things are, it's becoming worse now. Because you gave me 3 answers. The lawyers went without me. Then I said, no, they can't do that. It's unethical. Oh, I gave them instruction. It was my wish. Okay, you now give them instruction. You still want to have access to people who are behind big fences and walls at maximum prison. No. It's not that. Actually, Matala and the wife, now the wife comes now. For the first time since we canvassed this question, Matala and the wife's lawyer wrote and said they represent them, and we must get their affidavit because we are going to Madlanga's commission. Which one do we take home here? Because it's not me. You know, Minister, the worry is you shouldn't think you are speaking to me. These matters, as you stand there addressing us, you are clarifying the country which is troubled by these things. That ministers have got access to dangerous criminals to an extent that they can even have access to them even when they are behind bars. Matala was found with a phone in a maximum prison. Matala produces a minister's affidavit from a maximum prison. According to minister's evidence that it's not me, he wrote to me. Because of that, then we used the affidavit. What is the answer, Chair?
The answer is, I did say in the discussion, in the course of discussion over time with lawyers, I did express a need or a wish that I distance myself or be away from Matala. Remember, I had issued a statement on the 9th of July. I don't want to disagree with you that it was an instruction as received. Next thing, lawyers then, pursuing my wish, they call Matala's lawyers, and then this is the result.
So it's not what you are saying. Your wishes were never delivered to Matala by your lawyers. Never. According to that letter.
Never.
So how does Matala now know minister has got wishes to have a...
My lawyer spoke to his lawyers. That's what I'm saying.
Check. Where do you find this letter the minister is referring to?
You'll find the copy. Where is this?
No, I'm saying in our attachments.
Oh, okay.
Do we have?
No.
Let's see.
No, Chair, we've just been asking for the copy of the letter. We haven't received it.
Can I please have the copy?
Yeah.
So, how does Matala now come to send you an affidavit which you have not requested, which earlier on you said you gave them instruction, earlier on you said they acted on their own, and then so on. Now we'll park that. We now are here. What gives effect to this letter? What makes these people to write this letter and then send you an affidavit?
It's my lawyers talking to Matala's lawyers.
Okay. Let me leave it, Chair.